with a full body outdoor body workout. We're going to be hitting everything: legs, upper body, bear crawls, you name it. We're going to do it 10 minutes non-stop. Here in Grand Teton National Park. It's a stunning sun-risen morning. We got the Snake River, the Grand Tetons, the reflection off of the river, the birds are chirping, animals are roaming. We are going to get into it. This is going to be 2 squat jumps, 2 push-ups to kickstart this workout in the Tetons. We're going to go right into it right now. Once again, 2 squat jumps, 2 push-ups in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So 1, 2 push-ups, 1, 2. Let's go. Right on the bank of the Snake River. Let's go. 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2. Coming down. 1, 2. Working hard today. Let's go. 1, 2. 30 seconds. Down. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Coming down. 1, 2. 1. Woo! Getting that outdoor body. Let's go. And getting right into some bear crawls. Right along the grass. We got weeds. Keeping the core tight. Belly button to spine. Let's go. Oh yeah, we're getting it. "30 seconds. Woo. We got planes above us. Come on, 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So we're going to be in a deep squat. We're going to side set, coming in. Core tight. Got to stay in that deep squat. Activating the glutes, everything. Let's go. Let's get it. Squeezing tight. Staying super low. This is full body, even though you're gonna feel it in your legs the most. Come on, 30 seconds. You're just side tapping, locking out, belly button to spine. Let's go. Look at those Tetons. Looking all pretty. 15 seconds, come on. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Wild kickbacks. So you're gonna be right here in our wild stance. And kicking straight back, coming in. Remember, core tight, knees stay about 1 inch off the ground. Locking out. Let's get it. Come on. Make it burn. 30 seconds. Woo! Absolutely beautiful day. 15 seconds, let's go. Then we're right on our backs. Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We got a glute bridge. A little bit on a slope, it's all good. So you're gonna glute bridge, come up, crunch up. Glute bridge, crunch. Glute bridge. Get that rock out, crunch. Let's go. Remember, lock out, squeeze your glutes, coming straight up. Lock out, squeeze, coming up. As you know, I'm always on rocks or a slope. Definitely not on even surface usually. Remember, you want to squeeze your glutes, lock out your belly button, and come all the way up with that crunch. Let's go. Lock out, crunching up. Lock out, crunching up. Lock out, crunching up. 5 seconds, come on. And crunch, here we go. Going right into Superman's. Remember, flat on the stomach, legs up, and we're gonna crunch in, lock out, full body. Crunch in, lock out. Woo! Let's go. Elbows come all the way in, squeezing the back. Let's get it, come on. And then you see my feet. Get those heels to your booty. Coming in. Good work, let's get it. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Then we're going dips, then crunching. So right here. So remember, you want to dip all the way down, lock out, crunch, crunch. Dip, lock out, crunch. Once again, I'm on a slope, so it may not look like I'm going too far down, but you want to lock out, coming down, lock out at the top, squeeze those triceps, crunching in. Let's go. Crunch, lock out, crunch. Hitting everything today, full body. Let's get it. Triceps should be burning by now. Let's go. 20 seconds. Coming down, lock out. Coming down, lock out. Woo! Down, lock out. Coming down, lock out. One more. Down. Here we go. We got our ISO chair hold. So remember, straight down, squeezing belly button, spine. We got our curls, kickbacks. Curls. Once again, these are body weight exercises. I want you to imagine you have 100-pound dumbbells in your hands. And obviously you're imagining you're here on the Snake River, looking at these grand Tetons with me. Squeezing the biceps, locking out the triceps. Let's go. 20 seconds. Woo! Squeezing. Come on. Booty tight, core tight. Last one. Here we go. We have our low plank right here. Openers. So we're going to open all the way up and then switch. Open all the way up. Open all the way up. Woo! Let's get it. Squeezing the core tight. Belly button, spine. 30 seconds. Come on. Almost there. Yeah. 15 seconds. Let's go. Let's get it. 2, 1. Here we go. It's finishing off. Squat jump. Reverse. Reverse. Let's go. Right over your back. Squat jump. Come on now. Squat jump. Finish strong. Let's get it. Woo! Squat jump. Oh yeah. Let's go. Squat jump. Let's get it. Come on. 20 seconds. Stay with me. Ten seconds. Come on. This is our burnout. Let's go. One more. Woo! That is it. That's your 10-minute outdoor body, non-stop full body workout here in Grand Teton National Park. Remember, you can always do it twice, even 3 times, make it a 20-30 minute workout. You got mobility before, you got stretching right after. Working hard each and every day. Thank you for joining me for an outdoor body workout with Grand Teton herself. I'll see y'all next time for an outdoor body workout. Let's get it. Let's go wild.